I'm not too big on IPA. A few. Me neither. Have you ever? Oh my God! It's right?
No, like I don't care.
Helps with
It's like your Sims. You look like you're Mira.
Man's filming for a movie.
I'm filming a dog.
Can you post this on IG? Let's do a number.
I almost want to completely opposite. But that's okay. Tell you to go around the cut, I'm always the opposite.
To put these on and being cuddle mode.
Does that reel really make you sad?
Huh?
It's the most heartwarming, beautiful reel I've ever seen. Like, I really don't want to. So many people like
Yeah,
it.
because I don't want to think about how for 3 years.
But now he's resurrected with his owner, and they're both the happiest day of their life, and he's just happy ever after and taken care of.
Yeah, that doesn't take away the 3 years that this dog was scared and alone.
What's your music off? It's the future. I have a future today.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
the Academy of Sciences. It's literally raining outside. There's a whole flood.
But it's super beautiful. You're going to like it.
The Academy of Sciences?
It's a Claro vibe. It's a Claro vibe of
And
rain.
some Gracie.
And some greasy rain. Go to...
Usually I make her do this for me. I
And
make her
breathe.
do this because I'm like so lazy. We don't talk about that.
Tricking me. Not Isabel tricking me into thinking she couldn't do braids. And that's why I was doing them. She just didn't want to do the braids. Which is smart.
Okay, I don't know. Already.
Yeah.
Wait, can
So we're giving Wednesday. Yeah, go ahead. We're giving Wednesday vibes.
So, fit check. This is from Lar. This is from Randy. This is from Gap.
Oh,
This
and
is
your...
tissue. And
Yeah, let me see your
this is my
tissue.
braids.
Nice.
And this is at my apartment. Well, technically my mom. And Bea's jacket is from Brandy.
Oh, wait. My brandy jacket. Me and Isabel are twinning.
Slay.
Bye. Is that what
I
you
said slay.
Oh.
I put on my friends first. Whenever do I ever want this to go? My mind. When the wind blows and the sun goes away, goes off my take it slow, yeah. Take it slow, yeah. I just have you been drinking? I wish that I could give you what you. We didn't last.
Me, bro.
It's an hour for $10. Now, what if I told you with a little bit of hope and a simple Indian cultural mantra, I could make this bottle of hot sauce disappear? What would you say to that?
No.
No? How could you say that? This little mantra. You can just repeat after me, hamdalala.
What was it?
Hamdalala.
Dalala. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I know that was one of your tricks. Looks like you're bouncing on it.
Inside of my bizarre mind, I'm trapped inside of this simulation with a novel and a chariot. I'm a bit.
let's get dinner ready. You want this? You like this, huh?
I'm washing my hands, okay?
Isabel.
Ramen is so good.
Chicken ramen with egg and chicken, but we
take
are
out-
only gonna put.
You know what we do? We take out everything.
We take out everything.
We don't judge that.
And the yummy broth.
It's so good. I'm not even kidding. There's the chicken. How do you pronounce the other one?
Oh, look at it. Looks like I can.
No, it's giving. Hold on. Can't hold
You
it.
use the spoons for the vibe.
Yeah, I don't use a fork. I like using the spoon and the chopstick. Don't ask why though.
Okay, girl. No, because TikTok basically bought all the rights to the music that's available.
Okay, so I'm brushing my teeth. So I have to get ready for bed. I have a little bow from or wait, it's Dominique. Or
What?
this is from you or
I
Dominique?
gave that to you, silly butt.
Gum.
Gum.
Oh, I have to do Invisalign. Oh, you know what we should show? So now I use Kids Crest Cavity Protection Sparkle Fun. Because, like, I hate toothpaste flavors. What are you doing? You're like,
Eating.
Eating
I have a
what?
snack in here.
wait, what do you have? Is it my stolen Halloween candy? What did you take?
I can't tell you.
She'll take, like, the sweet candy, so I don't care. You'll take, like, my Twix, and I gave them away. Let's see who's tea.
I'm parking this close to the bus stop, so wish me luck. I just got so scared that I feel like there's someone in the house, an intruder. Like, I feel it, but I also could be. I want to make my tea so I can brush my teeth and go to bed, but I'm